Our top story, Devyani Khobragade returning from the US on a flight right now. Her father, Uttam Khobragade, is speaking live.
All political parties, entire media, all stop up Ministry of External Affairs, the Minister of External Affairs, the Prime Minister of India, for their support during this where entire nations stood together for the cause which is dearer to the every Indian, that is to ascertain sovereignty of the nation and dignity of the Indian judicial system. The what Devyani was fighting was to uphold the sovereignty of this country and dignity of the judicial system. When alternatives were offered to uphold the sovereignty, even she sacrificed the personal comfort which was being offered to her. Now, because of the support from all of you, entire nation, my daughter is going to come back to her country and unite with the family. This would not have been possible without the support entire nation, entire media and the government gave to us. Devyani today left the US soil with full diplomatic immunity, vindicating the stand that whatever dispute being raised in the US is a prerogative of the sovereign country India and only can be adjudicated by the Indian courts. This was of paramount importance to her, and even where feelers were given that if she compromises on this basic principle, she can continue to stay in United States, she rejected offer outrightly. She, as a proud Indian, gave more importance to the sovereignty of this country and dignity of the judicial system of the India over the personal relief which she was being offered, and decided that my country's sovereignty is more dearer to me than my personal life and comfort. At this moment, the agony my family underwent for last 1 month, you people stood with us like a rock. I have no words to express my gratitude to you, but the one thing is clear from this: if this country with 120 crore people, if they come together for the cause, the justice is inevitable. We are not concerned whether it was necessary for Devyani to continue in the US or not. What we were more concerned, that the basic principle that all such dispute must be adjudicated only by the Indian government and Indian judicial system. मैं आज भारत की जनता को, भारत के सरकार को, सभी राजकीय पक्ष और आप सब मीडिया को धन्यवाद देना रहा हूं। आपने जो हमें सपोर्ट दिया, हमारे परिवार पे जो हमारे परिवार से जो अन्याय होता उसके अगेंस्ट, उसके विरुद्ध में आप हमारे साथ खड़े रहें। आपने पूरा 1 महीना जो सहयोग दिया, आपने जो इसमें जो सहकार्य किया, इसी के कारण आज हमारे परिवार को न्याय मिला है और देवयानी आज अपने देश वापस आ रही है। देवयानी यूएसए देश का प्रतिनिधित्व करने गई थी। देश का सार्वभौमता और देश की न्याय प्रणाली है, उसका सम्मान रखने के लिए उसने वहां संघर्ष किया। उनको कई फीलर्स आए थे कि अगर आप इस बेसिक प्रिंसिपल से कॉम्प्रोमाइज करेंगे तो आप ये देश में रह भी सकते हैं। उसने वो पूरा रिजेक्ट कर दिया। उन्होंने बताया कि मेरे देश का सम्मान, मेरे देश के जुडिशियल सिस्टम का सम्मान मेरे व्यक्तिगत कंफर्ट से मुझे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है और इसके लिए मुझे ये यूएसए छोड़ के देश जाना भी पड़ेगा तो मैं खुशी से जाऊंगी, वो मेरा देश है। और जिस लड़की ने अपने देश के सम्मान के लिए संघर्ष किया, उसके साथ आज ये पूरा देश, देश की सभी पार्टियां, पक्ष और आपने जो सहकार्य किया, उसी के कारण ये आज हो सका है। मैं फिर से आप सबको, ये देश की जनता को, ये देश के सब राजकीय पक्ष को धन्यवाद देता हूं और देवयानी के भविष्य में उसको आपका यही सपोर्ट मिलेगा, ऐसी उम्मीद करता हूं। I will finish the Marathi, then floor is open to you. भारतातील संपूर्ण जनता, सर्व राजकीय पक्ष,
Uttam Khobragade, the father of Devyani, the Devyani Khobragade, who was left the United States just a few hours ago after being charged with visa fraud. Speaking over there, he thanked political parties across the spectrum. He thanked the media and he thanked Indians, he said, because of their support for the past 4 weeks, the support they've given him and his daughter, and what he said was strength for his daughter to get through her ordeal. As we told you, Devyani Khobragade was granted diplomatic status and immunity by the US State Department a few hours ago. She's left New York for India after spending more than a month in legal limbo. The Office of the Prosecutor of South District of New York, Preet Bharara, said that while Khobragade has been formally charged with visa fraud, her immunity protected her from prosecution. Bharara informed the judge that his office would not be dropping charges against Ms. Khobragade. A US government official said that Washington had accepted India's request to accredit Ms. Khobragade to the United Nations. Following that, it asked New Delhi to waive her immunity, as is sometimes the custom in such cases. India declined the US's request, following which Washington, D.C. told New Delhi to repatriate Devyani.